Directions for Lesson 2 Paragraph Exercise. So the first thing you need to do is open Word. So in the bottom left corner you can click the window button, or on your keyboard press the window key. And then if you don't have Word as a tile, you can start typing in the search box, and then Word pops up and you'll select blank document. If the navigation window opens, you can close it. And then I'll begin typing. When I want to end a paragraph, I must press enter, and this is another side heading. Now, to start, this is my very first paragraph, so what doesn't fit at the end of this line, I'm not going to press enter. It'll automatically wrap to the next line, which is word wraparound. So I'm getting ready to end the first line of my very first paragraph, and when I start typing the next word, if it doesn't fit, it automatically goes on to the next line. That's word wraparound. So we'll finish typing the rest of this very small paragraph 1. So now I am at the end of paragraph 1, so I will press enter. I will type another side heading. And I want to end this, so I'll press enter, and then I'll type this one. This is 4 lines, this second paragraph, and again, as I'm typing towards the end, don't worry, don't press enter, just let it word wrap around for you. So as we complete the second paragraph, sometimes when you're typing certain words, Word will recognize them, and as you type them, they may become available, and you can see it. Just press tab, and it'll finish it typing for you. And then we'll finish and enter. So if I were to put the show hide symbol on, it will show where with the paragraph symbol where I pressed enter at the end of each of the lines that I wanted to end. This will be a title and this will be a side heading. And then within this paragraph, I did not press enter here, but I did at the end. And then I have a second side heading and again another paragraph, and you'll see at the end of each line there are no enters except at the last paragraph. And remember, the raised dots are space bars and the lower period is the end of the sentence. So you can keep that on or turn it off. So what we're going to do is add some special effects to our font right now. And the first one, I'm going to select the title, and you don't even have to select it. As long as your cursor is somewhere in that sentence, you can go up here in the Home tab, in the Styles group. If you click the down arrow, there's usually more options, and you can choose Title. And it's a very large title size. What I would do is make it smaller just so that it stays on one line. So I'm going to use the decrease font size. And again, I need to select all of it. So let me just undo so it's not just that one word. So I'll select all of it because I want to change all of the font, just not one word. And I'll reduce it just so it fits all on one line. So it was 22, but it's still in the title format. And then I can place it in the center. So I'll click center. For the second one, and again, that can be anywhere in there, and choose styles, and I'll select heading 1. And heading 1 is size 16, and I want the academic support heading to be the same thing. So I can just click it, it's already there because it's my most recent style that I selected. Now anytime you want to see what a style was used, if you click on that line, you'll see that it shows heading 1, and the title was title. The next thing we want to do is select first time. We want to put it in bold. So again, you don't have to be right at the beginning of the F. If you just hold and drag, it'll select for you. You can use the mini toolbar or up here in the Home font group, and you can choose bold. For test preparation, I want that in italic, so test preparation, and I'll use italic. And then if you want to select an entire sentence, I want to select, we encourage you to learn more that last sentence. So you don't have to try and select and drag across and down. If you hold Control and click once, any word in that sentence, it selects it. So I'll click away from it. I'll hold Control and click any word, and it selects it for me. And then I'll choose italic. And then for Student Success Center, maybe I want to put that in a different font color. There we go, purple and bold. So you don't have to have exactly what I have, but if you just have some text in bold, some text in italic, this last sentence in italic, any font color, just shows that you've used some of the options in the font group. You type this manual on yourself, so you have your keyboarding practice. If there's anything that has the red underline, you can go ahead and, so if I made an error here and I get the red, you can right click and then select the correct spelling. And that would be a save and submit for Lesson 2 paragraph exercise. Thank you.